Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the Floki Inu token. This could potentially be the next big thing, and we talk about Peep, SHIB, and Dogecoin last bull run quite a bit. This could potentially be the coin to watch for this bull run. So I want to talk a little bit about it and really kind of give you guys an idea of what is going on. So first off, to start off, we have the CTOs have become a trend in crypto. We all know that. So Floki was actually pioneering the concept of community takeovers years ago. And when Floki was rugged twice by its original developers in 2021, instead of letting the project die, the community pulled their resources and took control. This was the day the first crypto CTO in history was established. What followed is a testament to the power of community resilience. The revived Floki hit a $3.5 billion market cap later in 2021, survived the roughest of bear markets, and built a cult-like community that remained passionately engaged with the project until this very day. During the depths of the bear market, Floki's Telegram remained one of the most active communities in all of crypto. While other communities obsessed over burns, pumps, short-term advantages, Floki communities all focusing on the really charity and bringing actual value to Web3. So the strength of Floki's cult-like community is reflected in how they respond to adversity during rough markets. So instead of complaining, the community pushed for stronger products, school building initiatives, and ways to help the underprivileged. This deep-rooted community resilience makes Floki unique among tens of thousands of crypto projects. While newer projects attempt to artificially manufacture cult-like communities, Floki's community was forged through real adversity and united by a genuine mission to make positive change. So Floki is the crypto's first CTO, and it's proof that a truly dedicated community can overcome any obstacle and create everlasting impact in crypto and the blockchain as well as the real world. So again, just under this X post as well, you can see how big this community is with how many people are replying, how many people are excited about Floki, and how many believe it has so much big potential around it. So again, I'm not going to go through every single comment, but there's a lot of them, and you'd be here quite a while if you did. Floki is the people's cryptocurrency and utility token of the Floki ecosystem. You can tell it's focused on utility, community, and strategic marketing, as well as Floki is working towards becoming the world's most recognized and used cryptocurrency. With over 490,000 holders globally, Floki has already established a strong brand presence. And if you want to learn more about it, by the way, I will have links down in the description of today's video. At any point in time, jump in and do your own research, as remember, I am not a financial advisor. So let's take a look at the expanded ecosystem. So the ecosystem of Floki continues to get bigger and bigger every day. We have Valhalla, we have TokenFi, of course staking, FlokiFi, and so many more projects and things around the Floki ecosystem. It's a really expansive ecosystem that is continuing to grow, and that's why people are so excited as well. So the next thing I really want to jump into is the Floki DAO voted in favor of a proposal to provide liquidity for the creation of Floki ETP. The Floki DAO has voted overwhelmingly in favor of a proposal to allocate tokens towards providing liquidity for the creation of a Floki ETP. Again, this is a huge deal. The proposal, which was the first time ever in which a Floki DAO proposal has been passed without a single opposing vote, will result in a very large amount of tokens, of Floki tokens that is, currently residing in a community buyback wallet being used to provision liquidity for the Floki ETP while the rest is burned. So the Floki ETP, the creation of which is being facilitated by a respected asset manager and an ETP issuer, is expected to go live in Q1 2025, and it is currently on track to be the second memecoin ETP to launch on a regulated stock exchange after the Dogecoin ETP, a significant milestone for Floki and meme coins in general. An ETP is an investment vehicle that can be traded on stock exchanges. We've talked about ETP on the website. We've talked about ETP quite a bit here on the channel, so I won't go into too much detail on it, and ETFs as well, but a key similarity between ETP and ETF is that they both make an asset easily available to institutional as well as retail investors in a transparent and regulated way. So that's the big thing to kind of remember. The news of the Floki ETP is coming on the heels of the recent revelation that the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, highlighted Floki as a case study of a utility token in a recent meeting of its Global Markets Advisory Committee. So Floki continues to innovate and work hard towards pushing adoption of its ecosystem in line with its mission to be the world's most known and most used cryptocurrency. So again, very, very big. Floki DAO votes in favor, of course, of providing liquidity for the creation of a Floki ETP. Again, a huge deal. And you can see here, BNB Chain actually congratulated real Floki Inu for passing the DAO proposal to provide liquidity for the creation of the Floki ETP. So again, it's the second meme coin to trade as an exchange traded product or ETP on a regulated stock exchange. A huge deal for cryptocurrency overall, and especially meme coins like Floki Inu. So really all I want to show you guys here is the proposal approved liquidity provisioning for a Floki ETF. You can see the actual results on the right side with 99.9% for and 0.1% abstained. So 0% is the big deal. 0% against this idea because it's that big of a positive. So just to kind of quickly note how big this is for meme coins, as well as, like I said, definitely Floki as well. So the next thing I want to show is the Cointelegraph also put an article out about Floki DAO approving ETP funding in unanimous vote. Again, a huge deal. So another thing to kind of quickly mention is how much news and articles have been ran about Floki since this, and so many when it actually does come as well. So a lot of people very excited about the future of Floki for obvious reasons. Floki also partnered with Kings World Cup Nations to reach 600 million plus views. Floki is thrilled to announce a groundbreaking partnership with the Kings World Cup Nations, the revolutionary football tournament that's set to transform how we experience this beautiful game. Following our successful partnership with the Kings League Info Jobs, which took Spain by storm in 2023, we are elevating Floki's presence to the global stage. The Kings World Cup Nations represents the pinnacle of the Kings, bringing the same innovative format that captivated millions in Spain to an international audience. The first ever national teams tournament of the Kings League ecosystem, created by football legend, and brings so much really together here with 16 different nations competing in a 7A-sided format that merges traditional football with esports excitement. So again, a huge deal here. It's a good partnership with the Kings World Cup Nations, Italy 2025. I want to go though to the actual video of what this looks like. So Kings League World, you can see here with this little highlight, Floki is all over this highlight. So that's something to note. So many people being introduced or kind of seeing this on the side, on the walls, pretty much everywhere. So here you can see every single wall is going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Floki and the website and how to get involved, basically. So very, very cool. A lot of people love the, showing support here for the Floki cryptocurrency as well, even on the Kings League World Twitter page or X page. So very, very cool. And if we go to the Kings League Info Spain, you can see that the powered by Floki symbol is at the bottom, of course, of all the graphics as well. If we go to the next thing I really want to mention, it's going to be the ecosystem obviously being a very large one, and it's continuing to expand. The first way to actually experience that is with Valhalla. So Valhalla to launch on mainnet in Q1 2025. After 3 years of meticulous development, Valhalla, Floki's flagship play-to-earn MMORPG, is set to launch on mainnet in Q1 2025 with a dedicated treasury currently worth $43 million, powering its play-to-earn economy. Valhalla will create unprecedented opportunities for gamers worldwide to ensure long-term sustainability off in a game economy. So a very, very cool idea. And they have a great little video and introduction about this. If we go to the Valhalla open world multiplayer trailer, let's take a look. So the game's looking really good. And the one thing you'll notice, they have a mini map in the bottom right. Of course, in the top right, they have different ways to look at the game's features. And it's just a beautiful world. And one thing that you'll see as well is if we go back a little bit, the daily quests on the left, I know you couldn't really see it because I'm zoomed in to make sure you guys can see the detail of this game, but you can see the currency as well as the backpack. Everything you would want in an MMO is definitely going to be there. This UI obviously looking really good. It showcases all of the important spots on the top middle of the map. So all the big locations that you want to go to, you don't have to continuously look at the map. It's honestly a very innovative looking game, and I'm excited to see how it does. But there is definitely another game to take a look at. And that's going to be the tactical turn-based combat. So Valhalla is turn-based combat that tests your tactical skills. And when I said game, it's not a new game, but it's actually going to be Valhalla with a turn-based combat game that tests your tactical skills. It's going to be the actual gameplay itself for the combat. So take a look at this one. So in this combat video, you're seeing a lot of really cool ideas when it comes to spells and some of the way they look, the animations. I just think it looks really good. This just gets me so excited, and if you are a fan of tactical turn-based games or combat, this is definitely a game for you. You can also see that they have game stats with 8,000 active players already, with transactions 413,000. Valhalla offers a rich variety of gameplay mechanics, and each providing a unique and immersive experience. You can see that with NFTs that give you advantages that you can actually buy as well, 10,000 unique NFTs. So if you are interested, now might be a good time to scoop some of those up or look into them. Also, you can see here in the top middle of the page, Valhalla mainnet is coming, so available in Q1 2025. It's going to be a massive deal, and a lot of people are excited about it already. Again, if you're a Floki user or a Floki investor, this is something you want to see. Continuing to see more and more features and reasons why people would be interested in this ecosystem. So the last thing I really want to give you guys a chance to look at is the Valhalla official trailer. This is going to be the official trailer of the Valhalla game, so take a look.
Valhalla.
So it's such a cool little trailer there, and it shows how you can actually tame the untamed in Valhalla, and I think a lot of people love this kind of an idea, so I'm excited, again, to see how well this does. But if you guys are interested at any point in time during this video, I will have links down in the description below so you guys can check out the website, learn more about Floki, the ecosystem, obviously Valhalla, the game itself, and so much more. So again, links down in the description. I'll see you guys all in the next one.